Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here with the Shacklemen Cuff Club Challenge. This challenge was issued by Coxie Picks. He sent several pairs of these cuffs around. As you can tell, I'm representing the United States. Me and Stu Do, also received a set of these. So this is the first challenge. You have to put them on, keyholes in, clasp up, and remove them using the key. Should be super easy, right? I mean, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just using the key. I mean, let's give this a try, guys. See what happens here. It's always fun when you voluntarily cuff yourself up. All right, we can go a little tighter there. All right. Even on both sides. There they are. Trying to get you guys to see these all right in the light. All right, well, let's give it a try. This is actually tricky. I'm going to stand up. See if I can't stay in screen here. I was always doing this standing earlier without the camera going, so it's a new challenge to do this with the camera. Magnet's messing with me a bit. Magnet and gravity are not my friend at the moment. Aha! There it is. We're free. So that's my first version, an attempt. I have a couple other styles that I've prepared for and I'll be doing as well, but there it is, using the key. Shacklemen style. Like and subscribe, everyone. Stay tuned for all kinds of cool more challenges. Have a good one.